My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Sheggz don't come out publicly confront a girlfriend wey dey call Bella Okwagbe over a recent picture wey be say she take. Him dey curious if na another man na im follow her snap the picture. And also Ipeleng of the Big Brother Titan season, she don come out to come talk about how her friendship with Tati, wey be say be her friend for inside Big Brother house that time, how the thing dey pain her, say their relationship no continue after the show. As we all know, it's been a year plus wey Big Brother Titan show finish and all of them don move on with their life. So for a recent interview, Ipeleng come out to come dey explain to say she miss Tati a lot, say anywhere wey be say Tati dey, say she dey always wish Tati well, say she no dey happy with the way their friendship take end after the show. She say after the show she cry well well when she lose the friendship wey she get with Tati. According to her, she say the kind feeling wey she get for Tati right now na the type wey be say she dey wish her well, dey hope say she dey do well for whatever it is she dey do, and Tati go always have a place in her heart because Tati was part of her journey for inside the Big Brother house and also part of her growth. She also blame fan base for the relationship between her and Tati wey turn sour. For the interview, she also revealed to say take her time to realize say na fans, toxic fans, na change the narrative, push out certain narrative wey be say go cause the dispute between her and Tati. Make una lis ten to some parts of the interview for una sef.
In that house, you put your trust in someone, you build a relationship with someone, a friendship with someone, and you promise each other that regardless of who we become outside, Bona, we've got each other. And as someone that values friendship so much, I keep that in my heart. I'm like, look, I'm gonna look out for you. There's nothing I'm doing without you. I'm gonna make sure
we both make it.
You're also going. Wherever, like Bona, if I'm going to Nigeria, you're coming with me. That's how solid of one specific friendship that I made in the house.
The truth be say, Ipeleng has always been a very selfish person, even when she did for inside the Big Brother house. You and Tati na friend, instead of you to push the girl go finance, she pick a boo. Una know talk say na she na get the ultimate veto power that time for the last week for the show, and they give her the power say make she pick the person wey be say go follow her enter finance where she go save. Instead of this girl to pick her friend Tati or black boy wey be say be her partner, this girl not pick any of the two. He pick a boo, a totally different person. So you dey expect those people when they come out of Big Brother, they'll keep in touch. Black boy not even look back for Ipeleng matter. He not even do as if she dey exist. He just move on with his life. Tati the same thing. But where I get problem too with Tati be say Tati too, she's not a loyal person, because you and person you and person they lock clips only for you to enter inside their room go nominate the guy. Like Tati too now another snake on her own. The two of them, they actually deserve each other. So we will see some fans reaction for this thing wey be say so. So the first person I could say, but why didn't it work? The other one say she was only using you. Another person can laugh because what a hypocrite. It's better you could just shut up. A friend you barely wanted to get evicted. Another one can say, move on with your flat yash. Imagine the body shame person as beautiful as Ipeleng. Another one can say, move on. I want to be the only Pretoria girl in final. Now you are crying. Now wetin Ipeleng talk that time. She said she won't be the only girl from that particular region of South Africa where we say go enter into the finals. Another person can say, if it was that deep, you should have taken her to the finals. To me, the conversation they actually unnecessary. It just they somehow to me. But if Ipeleng really wants certain things with Tati, I think she should reach out to Tati instead of coming online to disturb us. Onto Bella matter with her boo of life. Bella comot, she no carry Sheggz comot. Only she carry her two left leg comot, leave baby boy for house. She reach there, she carry phone give another person, make the person snipe and snap picture. And so Sheggz come see the thing, come say, no, this girl not fit do me like this. And so he come out to come ask her publicly, come say, please, who took these pictures, boss? Come put love emoji. And so Bella come out to come dey explain, come tag and say, at Sheggz Olu, I begged, my brother Sheggz, it's good as you ask her before they call be your girlfriend from you with picture. So now so fans come out, come they laugh. The first person I can say, why that should be like Sheggz own? And that one say he reached to ask, so My people, that person call laugh. Not be small thing. No. The guy just the market territory. No one year say they shoot bed. The mama fly leave children. So the bus obviously they go on online. These two people, they do their love, they go. May God strengthen their relationship anyways. Una take care, una bye.